These are the elevators at the Best Western Plus in Ocean City, Maryland. We're going to start with the original one first. This one was a Dover, but it was modernized and then a Delaware was added next to it. This one is also now a Delaware, but there's all the Dover door track down there. I'm not sure when this was built, but that's a very old braille. I wonder if this had like the old GAL that Dover liked to use back in the 70s and 60s. I don't think it's that old, but I suppose anything's possible, especially in this area. Westinghouse and other big name brands did a lot of crazy stuff back then in this area. Best Western, 5501 Osh. That's the wrong certificate. This is on 58th Street or something like that. 3,500 pounds. Elevator number 1. That's in the hold position. That's not right. Wonder if it's broken. See how this door frame is newer? That is older, it's painted, plus it has the old brails to boot. Here comes car 2. This tab is just a little bit different. Here at the door operator, that's a little bit newer too. Sounds like there's seagulls in the shaft or something. These are adjacent to the front desk, well, sort of. They're in view of the front desk, so that's why I don't want to let the chimes ring. I don't want to attract too much attention. Looks like there used to be something here. I broke my rule. Yeah, that's the different certificate. 3,500 pounds. I wonder if the same franchise owner owns this building too. This is car 2. Doesn't say Delaware, but it is. Kind of an interesting set of elevators. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video.